Yo, what is going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys the 10 best fonts to use when it comes to all designs. This is my personal favorite 10 font, but yeah, actually you guys hit the last like goal, which was 75 likes, and I really appreciate that. We also just hit 16,000 subscribers, which I'm very appreciative about. I really appreciate that, guys, so thank you a lot. But yeah, so you guys hit 75 likes. Today's video we're gonna try to hit 85 likes. And also for the next video, I'm actually going to be having 5 people create one header. So I just kind of spoiled what the next video is going to be about. But if you want to enter this video, if you want to be a part of this video, make sure to join my Discord. And also make sure to make sure just to be active in Discord and watch announcements channel if I'm posting stuff. And also make sure to go follow my new Instagram and Twitter. Alright, so let's get into the video. I will be leaving a discount code somewhere in this video for 10% off your order, and don't forget to join the Discord as well, and enjoy the video. Alright, so first of all, the first font we're gonna go with is called Edition. And by the way, just to mention, all the fonts are gonna be in the description, in the Discord. So the fucking Discord is in the description, all right? So but all the fonts and everything are gonna be in my Discord under tutorial stuff. So you click Discord and you go tutorial stuff, and it will be somewhere yeah, it will be at the bottom here. So make sure to go ahead and fucking download that. And yeah, let's get back to the video. So Edition, this font right here is just beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this font right here is crazy to me. So I don't know, something is super fucking special about this font. Wait, hold on, let me take a sip of my Pepsi. That's how good it is, you know. Next font is gonna be Alligator. Now it looks goofy, but trust me, the things you could do with this font, I just see so much potential with this font right here. It has this this Scandinavian look to it, I feel like. Maybe there's look at these horns. To me this is horns, you know what I mean? There's a lot of things you could do with this right here. You just gotta be creative with it. And yeah, honestly, I feel like this font has a lot of potential. It's called Alligator. You could of course join my Discord, or you could search it up yourself, but yeah. Now the next one is a Berhaki Black Letter. This font, it speaks for itself. Come on, bro. This font is probably the cleanest font for quotes or whatever you wanna. So for example, if I do, but anyway, this font is actually pretty fucking crazy to me. This, bro, it's just insane. All right, I don't got anything else to say. All right, but this is not a main font, you know. So if you're doing a 3D text, don't use this font right here. I don't recommend that. I recommend using this as the little quotes or a little the little small details, you know. Next font is gonna be Octuple Max. This is more like a Y2K style font. I personally don't use Y2K fonts, but I see a lot of people using them fonts, and I see that it's actually pretty nice. I really like the look of it. But yeah, this is the font. It looks great in my opinion, but it's just not something that I personally use. But yeah, it's good. The next one is Lordish. It's called Lordish right here. Lordish. To me, it's a pretty clean font, and I actually have a few other fonts that are so clean you're gonna, bro, it's just crazy. All right, but anyway, this font right here is also used as an extra, I feel like. You could use this as a main font, like a 3D text font, but I don't know, it depends really, you know. So let's say your name is Alex Opium as fuck, bro, that's crazy. But yeah, Lordish is this font right here. So let's go to the next font. Now I don't know how to pronounce this font right here. It's called Lehatia. I don't know, but it's a great font for signatures. So Uzo, you see what I mean? You could even do Uzo. There's a lot of things you could do with this font right here. But it's honestly amazing. It's a really good signature font. I always have a signature font that I could use on everything, because it's just a good way to have it. You always need a signature font. Come on, why would you not? Next font is actually called Heiji Hakusha Photo. Yeah, I don't even know how to say that shit, bro. But anyway, this font, bro, it speaks for itself. Just looking at this image right here, with just being black and there's just text, it just looks already clean and aesthetic. I ain't gonna lie. But this font right here is actually crazy. I really like using this font. This is a font for like Japanese text. So you gotta go to Google Translate, you paste your Japanese fonts, or you paste your Japanese text or whatever, and just paste it in here, and then use this font right here, and it looks amazing to me. Since you've made it this far into the video, the code is UZO2024 for 15% off on any pack. So make sure to go use that. The link is in my description. See you guys. Elegante Classica. This font right here, bro. This is probably one of my most used fonts that I've used recently. Like recently right now. I remember downloading this font and I was like, oh my god, this shit is actually crazy, bro. Like, it doesn't look like something special, but there is so much potential with this font right here. I'm telling you, this font is amazing. So yeah, it's gonna be in the description, or in the Discord, I mean. So yeah, make sure you download it. And this is also not a main font. This is also little extra fonts, you know what I mean? The little extra small stuff you do on your headers or your extra stuff or whatever, you know. Okay, Road Rage is the next font. I don't go for this look anymore, but I know some people who watch my videos do. So instead of having the other brush fonts I see everywhere, I forgot what it's called, but I see one brush font that it's everywhere. Try to use this brush font instead. It looks way cleaner. It's a bigger upgrade than the other fucking fonts everyone is using. And I personally, like, people gotta stop using these brush fonts. I mean, unless you know how to use them, because this, like, it's hard to pull off, you know. I used to use them myself before, but now I've changed. I don't use this anymore, but it's still an amazing font. This font right here is crazy. This could be used as a main 3D text font as well, so it could be used as an extra as well, but it's actually an amazing font. For the last font, we're gonna do Season of the Witch Black. This font right here is amazing. It has this little like what is it called, the Grinch, like, you know, Grinch, the green guy, bro. This is what it gives me, that type of vibe. Just these curls right here, and just the way it looks. It's just amazing font. I really like this font. It's of course, this could be used as a extra or a main font, but yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I know it's a short video and it's nothing special, but just make sure you guys wait for the next video. The next video is going to be insane. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to have 5 people competing for one header, or no, 5 people creating one header with different type of challenges and a different type of rules and stuff. But you guys see that. If you want to compete to become in that, if you want to be in that video, make sure to join my Discord. And yeah, smash the like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.